Another day and I'm back with another new video. Hey guys, Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. We've got a brand new smartwatch in the house and this one is from Crossbeats. Crossbeats has just launched their new Ignite Grande smartwatch in India, guys. It's a Bluetooth calling smartwatch and packs some pretty interesting features at a quite affordable price tag and comes in this sort of box packaging. The brand has sent us two color variants to unbox and show it to you people in the video, and we'll be first starting off with the blue color variant. Comes in this very simple packaging and at the back you got all of its features mentioned. As I've told you, watch comes with a 1.75-inch LTPS touch display, has Bluetooth calling on board, it's IP68 water resistant and plenty of other features which I'll tell you as and how we proceed in the video. Let's quickly get started with the unpacking. As soon as you open it, we've got some paperwork at the top that says hello namaste at the top side, and you also have a paper that shows you how to claim your free screen guard for the smartwatch, and lastly a quick start guide. Just make sure to read that. And there you go boys, our brand new smartwatch from Crossbeats. Looks like the smartwatch and straps come separately, and I have to say looks quite attractive from my initial impression, especially the color. Lovely color, guys. We'll just come back to this in a moment. Lastly, in the package you get a magnetic pogo pin cable for charging, and that is it. These are all the stuff we got in the box. And there you go boys, our brand new smartwatches from Crossbeats in two different colors. We've got the blue on the left and black on the right. Which one did you like? Now personally I felt blue was quite appealing, guys. Look at this navy blue sort of finish and looks quite rich and premium at this price point. Let me just peel off these stickers and give you a closer look and talk about the design and build quality. As I've told you, Ignite Grande features a 1.75-inch big LTPS display with 60Hz refresh rate as said by the brand, and definitely looks premium from our initial impressions. The build quality also looks pretty good. Watch case is entirely made of metal, guys, aluminum alloy, and there's only one control on the right side, guys, watch crown, which is a multifunction button. Below that you got the microphone, as you can see, and I believe the speaker is on the other side. Let me check. Yep, here you go. As I've told you, it supports Bluetooth calling. You've got on-board microphone and speaker, and here's how the back of the watch looks like. Now back looks like it's made of polycarbonate, but anyways, watch is like fully IP68 water and dust resistant, so there's nothing you need to worry about. You've got your HR sensor at the center, and on the bottom you got some charging contacts. Now talking about the straps, quality of the straps is also very good, guys. Feel soft and durable, and good thing is they're also replaceable, so if you want to personalize you can do that later. So that's it. What I'll do is I'll quickly set them up and be right back to continue the video. Okay, it's been quite some time I've been using the smartwatch, and now I'll be sharing my complete experience and feedback on this model. There are so many things I'll have to talk about, guys, so make sure not to skip any part of this video. First of all, let me tell you about the display. As I've told you before, the watch comes with a 1.75-inch big squarish form factor LTPS display with a resolution of 320 by 385, and display quality is like pretty good at this price point. There's good amount of detail. Everything looks crisp and clear on it. You can easily read all sorts of text in all your notifications or any sort of content, and colors also look like really accurate and also like quite punchy on this panel. And apart from that, if you look at the viewing angles are also nice, and brightness is also like super bright, guys. 600 nits, right? You can easily view this watch even in like bright outdoor situations, not an issue at all. And apart from that, it does have like raise to wake display, and that was also working very well most of the time. Now I do have to mention, for this price point I could have expected the brand could have went with like AMOLED panel, but okay, this panel is also not bad. It's like pretty good, and good thing is it's got like 60Hz refresh rate as claimed by the brand, so everything feels like quite smooth and fluidic on this smartwatch. Look at this, the whole UI, software, navigation, everything feels quite nice and a lot better than other smartwatch models I have seen around this price point. Anyways, moving on, what I'll do is I'll give you like a closer look at the smartwatch, and I'll show you the home screen and the built-in apps and features. So starting off from the home screen, you've got a default watch face applied over here. The watch comes with like a couple of watch faces pre-installed from the factory, but nothing to worry. You can download so many cloud-based watch faces using the compatible app that you need to install on your phone. There are plenty of options available, guys, and you can even apply your own custom wallpapers also from your phone's gallery. That option is also there. So swiping down on the home screen gives you your quick settings panel. Here you've got some information, like it shows you the battery level. I really wish the watch could have shown the battery percentage. It just gives you like a rough idea over here, shows you the weather info, and has some quick setting toggles for brightness adjustment, D&D mode, torch light, and general settings, and these sort of stuff. Now by swiping up on the home screen, you can quickly access the notifications area. Here you can check out all your recent messages or maybe like missed call notifications, whichever you've got on your phone. And for this to work, you'll definitely need to connect it to your phone via Bluetooth and install the compatible app and enable some permissions. That is how you'll be able to receive all of these. And by swiping right on the home screen, you can completely access the whole list of apps and features present on it. And by swiping left on the home screen, you can access the widgets present on it. Now coming to the widgets, first panel is your activity and fitness related stuff. It shows you how many steps you've taken, distance traveled, calories burned for that particular day. Now if you want like a detailed analysis or maybe like a monthly summary, then you can check out that on the compatible app. Moving on, you've got your health related stuff like 24/7 HR monitoring is there, and you've got blood oxygen SpO2 level measurement, sleep data analysis, weather panel is also available, and that is pretty much it. These are all the available widgets on the smartwatch. So what I'll do is I'll give you like a complete look at the menu only, and I'll show you all the apps and features. Starting off guys, main highlight of this smartwatch, this thing supports Bluetooth calling feature. It's got literally like a microphone and a speaker on board, and using this application, right, you can directly place a call and talk to anybody from the smartwatch itself. You've got a couple of options over here. There's a direct switch that lets you switch between phone mode or watch mode depending on your requirement. You have a dialer pad as well. You can dial in any number, place a call and talk to them from here. You've got some call records, contacts as well. You can sync your complete phone contacts app over here and access them with one touch only. Moving on, you got the sports training center. Here you can access almost like 24 to 25 different sport activity modes guys, and once you enable it, right, the watch will start tracking different sort of things like how many steps you've taken, distance travel, how much calories you're burning, 24/7 HR monitoring, and these sort of stuff. Again though, keep in mind there is no GPS on the smartwatch because it's an affordable category budget watch, right? So you'll have to rely on the in-app GPS only using the compatible app. Moving on, you've got your health related stuff, and let me tell you, it's got like complete arsenal of health related functions. You've got heart rate measurement, blood oxygen SpO2 is there, sleep data analysis is also available, respiratory breathing exercises are available, and plethora of features. And then you've got all your general smartwatch stuff guys, like alarms, and you've got your timer, stopwatch, all of these are available. And you do have voice assistant support. You can trigger both Siri or Google Assistant depending on your phone. And in the more section now, you have stuff like stopwatch, timer, calculator is also available. And that is pretty much it. These are all the built-in apps and features on the smartwatch. And coming to the settings, here you can access things like change the watch face, adjust the brightness level, screen time on settings, and lastly some general stuff like power off, reset, and QR code. So that is pretty much it guys, our complete overview on the smartwatch's built-in apps and features. Okay, so let me tell you about the health related features. As I've told you, Ignite Grande has like plethora of health related functions. You've got 24/7 HR measurement, blood oxygen SpO2 is there, BP tracking is there, sleep data analysis, and basically whatever you're looking for a watch, right, that is definitely present over here. And I've been using it for the last few days, right? Things like 24/7 HR monitoring, SpO2 level measurement, all of these were working well and giving accurate results almost 90-95% of the time. Alright, now comes the fun part, Bluetooth calling feature. So that is the main highlight guys. It's got like a dedicated Bluetooth calling app, and using this app you can literally dial in any number on the dial pad and place a call and talk to that person directly to the smartwatch. It's got like a microphone and a speaker on board, right? And let me tell you, I've been using it for like a lot of times in the past few days, and microphone quality was actually good guys. The other person couldn't actually make out the difference. I was speaking to him via smartwatch. He could clearly hear and understand what I was speaking, and speaker was also not half bad. It was producing like good quality sound, that too audible, everything was distinguishable. And only thing is, I felt the loudness of the speaker was a bit less, especially if you are in like a noisy environment or maybe in like outdoors now. There you might have a bit of trouble understanding what the other person is speaking through the speaker. Anyways, let me just give you a small demo and show you how it works. So as expected guys, Bluetooth calling smartwatches don't offer that good battery life, mediocre I would say, because it's got like plenty of features and utilizing mic and speaker at the same time consumes a lot of battery. So on a rough average sort of usage now, if you use Bluetooth calling lightly, you do a bit of physical activities and you keep the screen brightness to around like 70%, then you can expect around like 6 to 7 days of battery life. But if you're like a heavy user, you use Bluetooth calling every day lots of times and you set the screen brightness to almost like full, then you can only expect around like 2 days of battery life. It completely depends on how you use the smartwatch guys, completely depends on the user. So this is something you'll have to keep in mind. Well, that's it, my video on Crossbeats all new Ignite Grande Bluetooth calling smartwatch. Very good smartwatch. I love the design. It's got a premium look and feel, aluminum body, right? And it's also IP68 dust and water resistant. Best part is it's got like a 1.75-inch LTPS display with 60Hz refresh rate and supports Bluetooth calling feature. Only thing it was lacking is, at this price point, I felt brand could have went with an AMOLED display guys, because there are competitor smartwatches that actually feature AMOLED display at this price point. That was the only thing it was lacking. Apart from that, pretty good smartwatch. So this thing costs around 3,499 rupees. Links will be in the description box below. You can check it out there. I hope you all enjoyed watching the video and got to know everything about this model. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.